Morning, happy Sunday. How's everybody? I hope you're doing great. Guess what I just did? My treadmill workout. I know. So I got up, I set my alarm, and a lot of times when I'm really tired, I just go back to bed. I think, oh, I don't need to get up. I've had a busy week, and I start making excuses and I justify them. I think, I'm going to be doing lots of other things during the day. But today I said, no more. I'm just going to, take a few minutes, do a little bit of breathing, get up, put some cold water on my face, put my running shoes on, put a t-shirt on, and get my butt downstairs. And that's what I did. And now I'm so proud of myself because I've just finished 60 minutes on the treadmill. So no matter what you love to do, find something that, that's attainable, realistic. You don't have to run a marathon. Just find something that you can start off with each day. Get up a little bit earlier, push yourself. You will feel so wonderful. That's my tip for today and every day. Exercise helps you mentally, socially, emotionally, physically, of course, right? I like to use my hula hoop. Sometimes I go on my air climber, my ball, and there's so many other YouTube videos out there that, that you can start off with that you like. Maybe a dancing, maybe Zumba, maybe chair exercises, maybe even a bed exercise, hula hoop. You name it, there's so many. There's no excuses. Even if you put on music, dance around while you're watching TV, stand up, do some leg lifts, some crunches, some lunges, walk around your dining room, go up and down your stairs, park a little further, than like from where you work. Or if you're shopping, you're going out. There's different ways. There's tons of different ways that you can get in some exercise. So find ways and you will feel so accomplished. You will feel that, you're doing something that is so important for your health, your body, your mind, your mindset. And it really is a mindset. Sometimes we do have to talk to ourselves and say, we need to do this. It will help us. It will make us better people. It'll keep us focused. Even like if you can't do it in the morning, although I hate the word can't because I get up 3 hours early before work and I avoid lots of traffic and I find the time. Even if it's 10 or 15 minutes, it doesn't matter to start with, and then you work yourself up. Because once you do it, and you do it for a few days, you form a habit. A habit actually takes about 3 weeks to break. So breaking out of sleeping in, you can do this because I believe in you, and you'll start believing in yourself once you start doing this. All right? So that's some of my tips. I always say I may not be an expert. I have lots of experience. In the cold weather, it's hard right now if you're watching it, depending on when you're watching this. If it's rainy, snowy, icy, and you can't get outside, you can find lots of ways to do things inside. And when it is nice outside, going for a little walk really makes you feel good. I put on my headphones. Sometimes I talk to people. Sometimes I just put on some nice music. And sometimes I just walk without anything and just look at people, look at the environment around you, see the sun shining, see the birds chirping, the flowers. It makes me so happy. And I love doing that during my lunchtime or after work or before, well, definitely before work. I like to do it before work. The other things that I've been doing. If I can't get in as much exercise in the morning, then I exercise when I get home. And a tip is, don't, like, my basement is my walk into the house, so I can go straight to my treadmill. And I'm not saying everybody has a treadmill, and that's okay. If you go to your gym, have your bag packed, have your clothes on right from work. And when I get in the door, I put on my running shoes, depending on the weather, or I have them on already, have my workout gear on, and go straight to it. Don't even think about it. Just go to it. And again, it makes you feel so empowered because you've done something. And, you know, I used to always call them goals. I used to always say that, you know, they're, well, again, just goals. But I've changed my word. Okay, it's only semantics, but for me it works. It's called a promise. I make a promise to myself that I'm going to do this, whatever it is, because I hate breaking a promise. So if I promise myself that I'm going to do it, then I will. Especially for other people. I'm always promising other things. And if I can't, I don't make the promise. I know in my head, when I say I'm going to do it, I follow through, unless I really don't feel well. And then, you know, you have a good reason, or there's some kind of, you know, family or friend emergency. You have a reason. But try to make these promises to yourself, and you will be so happy. And again, you will achieve anything you want. Small, realistic promises, okay? So I hope this video helps you and you get motivated and inspired, all right? Make sure you check out all my other podcasts. I'm using the word podcast now. I used to always say chats, but that's the fancier word. So check them out. Check out my recipes for breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, desserts, all right? Shopping, grocery shopping, meal prep, meal planning, because all of that is part of your health journey. So I hope you love this video. I love you guys. I believe in you. You have to believe in you too, all right? Have a great day, whatever you're doing, whenever you're watching this video, okay? Stay inspired. Love you guys. Mwah. Bye for now.